Hello and welcome to our video. My name is Shantanu Srivastav, and today's video I'm going to show you just like this is my account table, and if I open any record here, and the primary contact is Herberto Nathan, and this is a contact email field, and it's a log field right now. If I change Herberto to Miguel, so here we can see that the contact email of Miguel has set here, and if I change it again to Herberto, so we can see that the email of Herberto has been set here. So how can we achieve it? We are going to see in this video. For that, let's begin. This is my CRM environment, and if I go to my account table, as you can see that all 5 accounts have primary contacts. And what I want to in this contact email field, this value of primary contact email should be populated. And whenever I change primary contact, say, just say if I change it to Kevin Martin to someone else, so their email address should be populated here. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to write down a JavaScript. For that, open your Visual Studio or Visual Studio Code, and here write down your function. You can use debugger. This is always a good practice. And now write down your code. Let me just expand this so you could see it. So first of all, I'm getting the form context here, and then I am getting the contact lookup value from contact ID from here, and then here I'm getting the GUID of the contact, and then I'm replacing all the curly braces from the GUID, and from XRM Web API retrieve record I'm retrieving contact record from a CRM and selecting this field as email address one. This holds the email address, and if the result contains email address, then I'm saying that from this code that this field to set this value, or else don't set any value here. So now just copy it. This is also a way to upload your web resource, and go back to your solution. So this is my custom field, looking for the logical name for this code here. Now go back to your solution, and here click on new, more, web resource, and just copy paste your JavaScript code here. Copy this and select the file type as JavaScript. Give it a name to retrieve, and display name also like this. Select language as English and click on save. So now it's been saved. Now go to your account table and open form. I want this JavaScript to call whenever the primary lookup field value has changed. Look for that field. So this is the field. Click here, go to events, click on event handler, add your library here, search for it, click on add, select your library here, write down the function, and click on pass execution context as first parameter. Click on done, and now click on save and publish. Now it's save and publish. Now go back to our CRM, do a hard refresh here. So this record only has one contact associated with it. For testing, look for a record which has more contacts associated with it. So now here we can see that primary contact is Avery Howard, and he has 3 more associate records. So for testing, just remove it from here and set another value for Kim Rocha. And now as you can see that as soon I select a value here, the contact email has changed. And if I change it and select someone else like Carla Yates, email address is coming like that. And as we can see that contact email field is a log field. So that's how we achieve our requirement. If you like our video, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.